So I told you guys before that we're going to get into the entity relationship diagrams of our vending machine business analyzer that we're making. And I would usually really like to show you guys step by step, how we're creating these ER diagrams. But what ChatGPT just gave me is blowing my mind. So it's invalidated. Like everything I learned in grad school is just you just click a button and you can get the natural language description of what you need. So I'm gonna go back through this whatchamacallit, interaction I had with ChatGPT. I'm showing it here on the screen, and I'm going to go over exactly what I said to it. So this is the trick for ChatGPT. If you want it to accomplish something, what you need to do is you got to go into role play mode, right? So role play mode is it turns ChatGPT into something you're communicating with, and it will continue to probe you for more information. So what I've said to it is, hello, let's do some role playing. You are now a system designer and I am a customer. Your task is to describe to me how ER diagrams will look and also what the database will look like. Your goal is to find out all the entity and relationships there are in my system, and you must ask me question after question after question before giving me your report on the system. Are you ready to act as a systems designer? You should approach your prompts just like that. And ChatGPT says, yes, I'm ready to act as a system designer. Let's begin to role play. To start, could you please provide me with some background information on your system? What type of business organization is it? What does it do? This will help me better understand the system requirements. And I say I'm creating a system that business owners that run a vending machine business. Each business owner has machines, locations, routes, inventories, employees, and cars that employees use, and maybe more. And it says thanks for providing me this information. It says tell me about the machines and ask me for information. Locations, will there be multiple locations? Routes, how many routes are there? What are the unique characteristics of each route? Inventory, what are the types of products and what's the quantity of each product that will be stocked in each machine? Employees, how many employees, cars. And then I said, the machines sell snacks and drinks, must have multiple locations. Each route can be assigned different locations. So one route can have many locations, but each location can only be part of one route. These are the items we're selling. There's no definite number of employees working on each business owner. Each employee has a route. Their job is to restock items in the route. Let's forget about the cars for now, because I changed my mind. It kind of reiterated to me about what it is in what it's understanding. For example, we might have machines table with a column with machine ID, machine type, capacity, size, location ID. We can have a locations table with columns, location ID, name and address. Inventory table would have columns, blah, blah, blah. The routes table would have columns for each route. Does this make sense so far? I say, yes, it does. Great. Are there any types of entities? Now we're talking about employees. You got employee ID, name, route ID, hourly wage, hours worked per month, miles driven per month. You also have to create a new table to track miles driven by each employee. That table could have columns such as employee ID, month, and miles driven. It just keeps going on and on and on. It tells you which is the foreign key. So the foreign key is like a key in one table, but lives in another table as well. Yada yada yada. So where I'm at right now is with this information, we can update our ER diagram and database design accordingly. Is there anything else you would like to add or change about the system? I'm curious. I think that's it for now. I mean, I think we're just kind of creating a skeleton of this project, and we're gonna rebuild it again and iterate on it. So let's just say, no, that's all for now. Do you have any other questions before we proceed? It's like we will create tables in a database for each of these entities with columns and their respective attributes. Additionally, we'll create a table to track the inventory used by each machine, which will contain foreign keys to the machine inventory tables. It's freaking amazing, man. Like this is high quality, bro. This is legitimately as high quality as you're gonna get, like from a textbook. Do you have any questions or concerns before we proceed? Nope. Let's go. Nope. Let's go. Okay. Proceed. Oh my goodness. It's drawing out the ER diagrams. Are you kidding me? It's drawing out the ER diagrams. And then here's the database schema. That's crazy. That's literally nuts. Can you give me the SQL code that I can paste into MySQL Workbench to create these tables? And you guys got to see my face here. What the fuck? It's crazy. This is amazing. This is amazing. I don't know. This is a I'm telling you guys, ChatGPT with systems development and design is absolutely revolutionary from what I'm seeing here. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna keep going. You know, I haven't made a system in ages. But now, you know, I think it's all about learning the right questions, man. The new paradigm of productivity is not understanding how to do things. It's understanding how to ask the right questions. So hit that like button, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.